Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to use DataCamp and become a data scientist. You can use or visit on that particular platform and you can learn many programming language as well as many machine learning and data science related skills, and some research domain or project assignment is absolutely freely available, and some assignment they are charging you little bit amount. So what exactly happening on the particular website or particular domain page? So let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. You access the internet, smartphone devices, laptop or desktop. Simply open any types of browser and just type here DataCamp, and this URL is display here. I am putting this link in video description. You can click on that link and comes directly on that particular home page. This is home page are telling you build data skill online using DataCamp platform. So options are come create your free account using your Google, LinkedIn or Facebook. Otherwise you can add here your email address and password, which password you suitable. So how many programming languages are providing you DataCamp platform? So first number Python, R, SQL, Tabula, Power BI, Excel, Oracle, Git, Shell Script, Scale, Spark. Such kind of programming languages are available on that particular platform. So scale up to scale data training designed for your business like Google, Intel, eBay, PayPal, Uber or Deloitte. Some basic informations are available here: how to access, how to learn, how to practice and how to apply for the different job. Hands-on learning experience also available here. Such kind of questioning they are providing you here. Programming languages structures like Python, R, Tabula, SQL, and then output screen also display here. I am providing you this information also. You continue watch till end this video. So now first of all we are creating bootcamp account. So I click here Google, using my Gmail address I create my bootcamp account. So it's simply just I click, I add my email address, and this page are display here like welcome back to Sangrams. I'm selecting some course to learning of introduction to Python. Here new courses, they are couple of weeks ago introduced introduction to data visualization in Python, sampling in R, introduction to regression in Python, building recommendation engine like a chatbot, chatting dashboard in Tabula. So here some courses are available. You can search or which course you want. Accordingly you select this course and learn continuously. So simply I select the introduction to natural language processing. So this course available on Python scripting language. So continue course. This course complete hours is 4 hours course, 15 videos, 51 exercises and 64,353 practices are already done. So you can select this course, continue. So course description, which types of course exactly they are covering: basic of NLP, identify of separate words, tokenization, build your new news classifiers, basic library of NLTK. Such kind of information they are providing you within a 4 hours. So first number is a regular expression, simple topic identification, name entity recognition, building a fake news classifiers. This is a structure of chapter wise, and this is the founder of this particular course. You can visit her profile, LinkedIn or Google and learn she is the strongest on the NLP course or not, and then you decide this course is comfortable for you, suitable for you, and then you can click here and continue this course. Like here comes which patterns. So here a regex pattern is there, regression problems comes here. You can consider this as an example and possibility answer. Such kind of answer you display here using this Python platform, and some slides also here, some slide presentation they are providing all information of a regular expression means regex, and accordingly you learn those skills and then solve this problem. And that one is absolutely free. This one I'm not paid anything, but you want continue learn many things, so definitely they are charges some amount of money. This is a video, you can click here and learn or watch this video till end. Someone are explaining all PPT presentation, what is the topic identification, text classification, NLP application, including some information they are providing you watching this video. So and then after showing the progress bar 0 day, I'm not use anything yet, but your progress bar comes here, and you can put this progress bar in your resume. So definitely your resume level is improved. They are visiting on that particular platform and see which types of assignment or which types of concept you are clear on the DataCamp page. Here some workspace, they are providing you some little bit amount of workspace, so you can visit here and watch which types of workspace they are providing you. So like a technology like SQL, Python, R, and IDE like Jupyter Lab workspace they are providing you. Here groups also available, some group difference using Slack. You can connect other groups and share your knowledge. So here career tracks are available, like you using career tracks you can learn or enroll using data science with Python. Data science is R, Python programming language. And here some informations also, you select this course like a 76 hours course, 19 courses are available on that particular course. You can select and learn many things. You simply click on that course, and here some enrollment informations are available here. So which course you want learn or which course you want continuously learning, so you select the introduction to Python. So same displays come here, and then your output are displaying here. This is a scripting.py and your output comes here. Amazing platform to learn many things and improve your skills, especially on data science and machine learning. Hands-on learning sessions are available here, like here courses options are there, practice options are also available here. You can visit on that particular practice session and which types of questions they are providing you, like get 5 challenging correct, no time limit, and earn your award. So you just simply start here and add your particular answer, like a true and false comes here. Amazing features, everything is available, no need for installation any types of software, platform, framework. You just visit, enter, and then learn simply. Some assignments also available here, understanding and interpreting data analysis in SQL, statistical fundamental with R, machine learning fundamental in R. Some assignments are also available here, and some live events also ongoing. Here they are showing upcoming events, so you can visit here and directly join this online event using your webinar. So this platform is very helpful for the data science or machine learning related students like engineering, MTech, BTech. You can visit here and register, log in, and practice day by day. So definitely you learn Python, R, Tabula, C, C++, JavaScript programming language. Super, it's very helpful for us. You have any suggestion regarding this machine learning and data science, you can comment me on this video. I will help you as soon as possible. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.